Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to create this sort of atmospheric dust fallout look that was featured in one of our TikTok videos. So let's get started. So in After Effects, we're going to right click, go down to track camera. We're going to track that. You're going to let it analyze. Once it's analyzed, you're going to click create camera. What I like to do is just move that to the bottom, lock it, just get that out of the way. So next we're going to go ahead and create a solid. We're going to go to Effect, Simulation, CC Particle World. Then you're going to go ahead and adjust the producer settings. And you can scrub through the comp, make sure there's no point in time where it doesn't cover the whole image. Open up the particle settings, change the color to white, set the particle type to faded sphere. Make sure you adjust the longevity to a little bit over your comp length. Adjust the birth rate. Change the velocity to 0 and the gravity to 0. I'm just doing a little bit of tweaking. Adjust the birth rate, scrub forward in time till you like how many particles there are. Then you're going to set a keyframe, go forward one more frame, set another keyframe, and set that keyframe to 0. Then drag the comp back to the beginning so you have that keyframe right before it, and then drag the end of the layer to the end of the comp to get the right length. And what that's doing is making sure the amount of particles stays consistent throughout the entire video. Doing a little bit of tweaking. So fog diffuses light, and we can do that by just simply decreasing the contrast. Now the light should only be illuminating the particles. So how we're going to do this is add a vignette, move the center right to the light. Then you can fiddle with the settings to like that. Then you're going to go ahead and keyframe it to the light. You can add a little bit of blur to the particles if you think they're too sharp. And then you're going to add a vignette to the video and keyframe it to the light like you did with the other one. Now we're going to create some more fog around the light. So we're going to create a new black solid. Set the blending mode to screen, and then add the fog lights effect. Make it 3D and position it to the light. And then adjust the fractal noise to your liking. And then you're going to create a mask and then feather it a ton. And then you have yourself some nice dust.